Epidural ni is a cheat code. Guys, baru-baru ni ada orang cakap epidural ni is a cheat code. Oh, let me tell you this. That's nonsense. Kita ni tengah bertarung nyawa, tahu tak? Choosing epidural bukan maksudnya ambil jalan mudah. It is medicine, it is survival, it is smart. Personal experience saya, as a mother and a pediatrician, I chose to have an epidural during labour. This decision allowed me to rest. Saya boleh tidur, saya boleh recharge and conserve my energy while my body progressed through contractions. And when it was time to push, saya boleh push dengan sepenuh tenaga untuk anak saya. Kita bukan cari shortcut, kita cari jalan yang selamat. Kita cari kekuatan. Epidural is not a weakness, bukan mengada-ngada. Choosing comfort does not make you less of a mother. It is courage to choose what is best for you and your baby. And again, there is no gold medal for pain and no extra points for suffering. Why should we? Yang penting, baby selamat, mama selamat. That is winning.